Hey, it's Morgan from WTI, and let me show you why this Kindle remote is so awesome. This Kindle page turner from ADZERD is so amazing. I have been using this all the time. It's Bluetooth enabled, and it comes with this little charging case, which is awesome. And it has this little ring that you can take off, and it has buttons that you control the page turner here with. They pair super easily. This is great in so many situations. Wherever you take your Kindle, you can take this with you and control the pages without touching the Kindle itself. It comes with everything you need to charge it. So easy, and the battery has been lasting me a really long time, so I use it often, and it's really, really great. It's so nice to be able to just sit in one position and read my book and not have to worry about always reaching up and tapping next on the page. It's really nice to be able to sit and relax and just use it in that way. I absolutely love this white color because I have a white Kindle and I love how it looks together, but it's great because it also comes in black if you want that as well. This item is great because it has a lot of uses, not just your Kindle, but also your iPad or any device where you're needing to turn a page or click next. This is so great to have. I'm absolutely loving this Kindle remote, and that's my point of view.